Friday, December 29, 2023, 113K out of an E55. Yesterday I cleaned the valves for both banks. I haven't lapped it, I just cleaned the valves, okay? I haven't cleaned the bank 1 cylinder head, I cleaned the bank 2. And today I'm gonna continue with the bank 1. Let's see, what did I miss? What did I miss? A little bit carbon here, not something critical, not something crazy. This is from the casting, this stupid thing, classic, like any other time. Alright, looks fine. Not bad, eh? No burnt oil whatsoever. Okay, I need to measure the surface. I have to get some measurements to see that's okay. Alright, intake side. Yeah, I forget something here. But again, with the last wash, it's gonna be fine. Here inside, yes, it's nice and clean. Here you see a little bit, no, you see too much there, right? And there, yeah, it's okay. For the first wash, it's fine. Now up here inside, one small piece over there, another one there. Yeah, okay. 2 points, and then I have here. And what I forget completely to do, I forget completely to clean the spark plug hole here. Hey, take a look. Dazzles your mind. Yeah, no worries. No worries. With the final wash, I'm gonna take care of that. Yeah, take a look here inside. That's not good. So obviously I have to wash it again. Exhaust looks better. Yeah, exhaust looks much more decent. Yay, I did a good job on the exhaust side. Then the secondary injection, yeah, nice and washed, beautiful. And the ports here, I need to use a little bit more detergent inside there and leave it to get soaked. It will gonna run on short tube headers as far as I know, and they will gonna cancel also the Kali converters, so this function is not gonna be available, the secondary injection, but we are gonna clean it, right? How many times you're gonna remove the cylinder head to clean it? I'm gonna clean it to don't have any headache, for a peace of mind. So yeah, not something crazy. Here need to take care a little bit the casting with the Dremel. Yeah. So a little bit the intake ports, the inlet ports that they have a little bit of carbon. Then there was 2 points. One was here, the other one was here. Yeah, 1, 2. All right. And for the spark plugs here. All right. So there is inlet, the 2 marks here, and the spark plugs. Okay, all right, fine. It's not bad. It's not bad. First, I'm gonna lap the valves, you know, and then I'm gonna wash for final. And we have also here a little bit. Yeah, this area here, I skip it completely. Don't ask me why. Do not ask me why. It is what it is. This that over there down, it's on the casting where it goes the bolt. And I have seen it before, it's not the first time. Yeah, it is what it is. Alright, okay. Splendid. Alright, let's move on, let's continue with this is, like I said, this is the bank 2, yep. Continue with the bank 1, back over there. I have already prepared the pistons and I put it here in the box with the wrist pin to be safe. Ah, by the way, I forget, 3 days the water pump pulley in a rust remover and it became like this. At least it does have a rust and does have a high spots. We're gonna see that later when it comes the time to open it. Alright, here what I have. Here are the piston rings. It's been washed, it's been prepared, and here I have the connecting rods. Yeah, the WD-40, all of them, to be nice. Crankshaft, this is how I received it from the machine shop. I think that I have mentioned that before. With the oil, I haven't cleaned yet. It didn't came the time yet. And you know what's the irony? Let me show you what's the irony. That's the irony. Rotary table, all right? Bench lathe. And then milling and drilling machine. So to have the parts, to have the tools, and don't be able to put it together. Hey, you're gonna ask me why you cannot put it together. It's very simple why I cannot put it together. You're gonna find out in a month. After a month, you're gonna find out why. It doesn't make any sense to put it now together, to set it up, to make the installation. But after a month, you're gonna understand why. Let's continue. It looks different, eh? This I haven't washed it, like I said. This I just make it with dry ice because it was very dirty. External, and now it's the time to wash it. This has been washed once. Let's wash also this once. At least on this, I'm not gonna forget to clean the spark plug hole here. And inside, I'm gonna pay a little bit more attention. And I'm not gonna lap the valves today because I have received the M157, the sleeved M157 from the machine shop. So it has priority, the M157. Plus, I don't have all the parts for the 113K. Makes sense, right? Trust me, it's worth it to wash it nicely, to be beautiful. You're not doing it every day. And the same thing also with the block. Bank 1, after the first wash. Let's see what I forget now. Looking good, looking nice, all right? Fine. Okay. A little bit there up, doesn't matter. In the middle, yeah. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine, all right? Back here, it's okay. Let's see the exhaust side. Wow. 1 second. A little bit of casting there, need to be cleaned. Now, I clean also for the spark plugs here to be nice and shiny. I didn't forget it like the other one. Nice. Nice. Splendid. Right, the ports. Looking good. A little bit of carbon has a little bit here. It's a shadow, it's not a big deal. All right. Yep. Now let's see it from the combustion side. I don't know if you can hear it. And this one, not like this, like this. 1 second, like that. All right. And I have to send it at the machine shop for a resurfacing. Yay! I'll explain why. I will explain why. Now, here were the spark plugs and the threads. I wash it here. I remove all the oil. Fine, beautiful. Looking good. Yep, it does. Looks good. You can see that inside. Yeah. I don't see any carbon anywhere. I did forget it. Yeah. Why I'm talking? Forget one piece here. drop in the ocean, yeah, okay, but I'm gonna remove it. Then I need to wash for final the cylinder head. It's not the final wash. Now, why I need to send it for resurface? Usually, I'm not sending the cylinder heads if they don't need, if they are nice and true, if they are, let us say, if they have run out 200-300 millimeter maximum, I'm not sending it for resurface. If the surface here, it's nice and does have scratches, I'm not sending it for resurface. But when I have things like this one, this is negative. And this is not, if it was like this here, I don't care. If it was at this point here, I don't care at all. If it was, let us say, here, I don't care at all for these small things. But here it's where it seals the head gasket. And I do care about that. All right? And I don't want to stay there. That's what I'm talking about. This, like I said, this is a minus. This is inside, all right? This is one of the reasons. You see some small imperfections here, not something critical, but it's a weak spot because, like I'm saying all the time, you know, the fire and the pressure, it's trying always to find the weak point to escape. We have also here one small dot. All right. Here we are fine. Here we are fine. No, here, yeah, you have a little bit. It's not that much. I have seen much worse to come till here. It has enough surface here to seal. But like I said, because of this small imperfection, because of this one, and because of this, don't ask me this how this happened. I have seen that before, and I have no clue if you're asking me. This one and this one. And by the way, believe it or not, this is not that much critical. Why? Because it's far away from the ring here where it's sealing for the pressures and the temperatures from the head gasket around. This is on the edge and has also here. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. But again, this is not critical. The most important thing is this one. The most important thing is this. One light resurface, maximum 1/10 of millimeter to be beautiful, all right? And then, actually before I send it, I'm gonna lap the valves to become also, you see the valve guides, always when I see the valve guides, the valve seats, the exhaust valve seats for the 113K, see how big they are. Huge. Classic, some small imperfections on the casting, like any other time, and need to lap the valves to fix also the valve seat, to don't be like that, and the valve itself. The valves, like any other time, it's in order. I didn't mix it up. Because, like I'm saying all the time, bank 2, front, that's the intake valve here. So this valve, it was running at this guide, on this seat, for how many kilometers? It's gonna continue running over there, lapping it and placing again in the same position. Now, nothing. That's it. Small update. I clean the cylinder heads, I need to lap the valves, and then I'm gonna send it for one light resurface. I hit what I hit. I hit here the table. Okay, yeah, I'm smart. That's why I'm lifting it from the exhaust side. Yeah, I'm placing down the exhaust side. Yeah. That's the reason why. Fine. Yep, that's it. Thank you very much. Over and out. Have a nice weekend. Yeah, this is coming from out. This stupid thing from here. Over and out, like I said.